Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert Excel to Word with Insert as Object feature. If you want to quickly convert a whole Excel worksheet to a Word document without opening Excel, you can insert the Excel worksheet as an object in Word. Please note that by inserting an object, you only can insert an entire worksheet at a time. It will also insert the last active worksheet when the Excel workbook is closed as the object. Open a Word document and click the Insert tab. In the text group, click the Object drop-down list and select the Object feature. Click the Create from File tab and click the Browse button to select the workbook you need to insert as a worksheet from the Browse dialog. Please note that you should close the workbook before inserting it as an object in Microsoft Word. Select your file and click Insert. Click OK to finish the operation. Now the last active worksheet in the selected workbook has been inserted as an object in the Word document. And you can edit and format the object as you need by right-clicking on the object and select the uh, option you need from the context menu. You can edit it, you can open it, and also you can convert it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.